Rerouting.
Dude, we almost did a whole 160 or 180, whatever that's called.
Recomputing.
Whatever. Oh, he's gonna give me another chance. Now next time when Christy comes back in and she says about the devil's carriage, I'll pull it out and I can drive it for her.
Caution! Watch your speed!
Michael's gonna have me filled up with clips tonight.
Keep right, and then exit right. Exit right.
That's true.
Get ready to turn right. Turn right.
I have no idea about that. Dude. This is what I seen when I told you guys I had a sneak peek of it. I was ready to run it that night.
Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Where in the goddamn hell you driving? You're speeding. Watch your speed.
It'll take time for you to learn that, Michael. It don't happen overnight.
Caution! Watch your speed! I feel like I'm driving in the devil's chariot. Watch your speed!
Well, still, you guys do an awesome
Lord,
job.
Watch your speed!
Hence, that's why every time I think of a truck skin, I'm like, who do I go to? SOV.
I feel like I'm driving in the devil's chariot. Watch your speed!
You are in the devil's chariot, Christy.
Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Where in the goddamn hell you driving? You're speeding. Watch your speed.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Finding a new route.
How many times did that other truck flip over?
Okay, let's find a new route.